This is Eric from At the Ballpark Cards, doing a box of 2020 Super Break Football Edition, 12/15, for Joe. Good luck, Joe. Got two slabbed cards in here. One is Patrick Mahomes Crusade 2020 Panini Prism Draft, BGS 9.5. I already got it in the graded bag and all. It even captured a little bit of dust or something in the bag. Number 2. It says 1 to 2 cards per box. This one has 2. And you get a Tom Brady. Panini Prisms Fireworks. Prisms Green. BGS 8. Thanks, Joe. You got one number 12, one number 15. Not bad.